Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you get the most out of Excel with our easy-to-follow video tutorials. Whether you need to sort data from A to Z or Z to A, our tutorials will show you how to do it quickly and easily, no matter the size of your table. Let's examine how to accomplish this task using the provided table. Before we begin, let's review two kinds of challenges that can arise while sorting. Before using the sorting function, ensure the list is free of blank entries or rows. Data from other applications can sometimes be imported with blank entries. Let us consider deleting the data in row 10. If this is the case, Excel will only sort rows 2 to 9 alphabetically, and any data stored below row 10 will be ignored. If a table you're working with contains any blank entries, delete these rows before carrying on with sorting. If your table is exceedingly large, employ the technique we showcased in the video tutorial to get rid of superfluous blank rows in Excel. To ensure all rows in the table are filled with data, we'll undo the last step and proceed. The next issue you could come across is related to the table headers. To ensure clarity, it is essential to distinguish the headers from the other information in any table you have created. If you don't, Excel will treat the header text as one of the list items when it is sorted, which is not the desired outcome. Using different colors or formatting to make the header of the table easily identifiable can help prevent potential issues. Assuming the header has been adequately formatted in a distinct style and there are no blank entries in the table, you can proceed to sort the data alphabetically. It's a breeze. To begin, click the header of the column containing the list of data you wish to sort. Let's select cell B2 to sort the names of employees. We can then click on the Data tab and navigate to the Sort and Filter section for two easy options to sort the data, either from A to Z or Z to A. Let's go from A to Z. The task is completed. The employees' names have been arranged in alphabetical order from A to Z as desired. You can utilize the same function to quickly sort numbers from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. We can easily sort the names from Z to A by clicking on the Sort Z to A button, and the list will be rearranged accordingly. This function can be used on tables of any size, regardless of the number of data entries. Are you curious about a straightforward method of filtering data? Check out our upcoming videos by Sheet Leveler to find out more. If this tutorial was beneficial to you, show your appreciation by giving the video a like. Is this your first time with me? I'll be more than happy to welcome you to our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.